Hello, this is Matt here. Just thought I'd do a quick video of my I believe from 1980 Casablanca Zephyr. I can't substantiate that date too well, but that was what was written in pencil on the paper tag on the top. This is a K63 with a 1.5 amp motor, and as you can see, it's in pretty nice condition with the exception of the two bent blades that probably happened at the Habitat store when they stacked it or rested it on something, so the blades bent up. It's unfortunate, but I believe I can fix that. Here's the motor housing, and you can see the nameplate, Casablanca Ceiling Fan Company. So if you hear background noises, those are my dogs barking and my neighbor's dogs. But anyway, this is the ceiling fan. You can see the nice stencil blades. They're very pretty. Antique copper finish. I really enjoy it. Canopy. And I was lucky enough to pick this up for just $10, and that was all. They wanted $25, but it was really dirty, and I was going to pay the $25, but there was another fan that had bent blades, so I said, well, give me $10 for that one, and then they just charged me $10 for both, so that worked out well. Well, anyway, I'm going to show you this first with the wall control, and the wall control is Hunter. But it's a nice, works well with this fan. So I'm going to show you first low with the wall control. And because of those two bent blades, it wobbles on low quite a bit. But I'm just going to show you, it's just the way it is. Can't do anything about it right now, but I'm going to take the blades down and try to bend them back into shape without breaking them, those blade brackets. But anyway, here it is on low. As you can see, it has a slight hum. That's due to the cardboard box variable speed control. Okay. Next we'll try medium on the wall control. This is medium, folks, which is more like a high on almost any other fan, including my K55 Casablanca in the kitchen. That's about powered up nicely. Pretty quiet, really. I like it. Can't wait to get that blade bent perfectly. But I'm kind of scared to do it because I want to break the blade bracket. There we go. Copper blade brackets are not exactly easy to find. I have tons of extra brass ones for Zephyrs, but not copper. And here we go. Full speed. High. It's an extreme high. Extremely fast speed, faster than any I've ever seen from a residential ceiling fan. There we go. See that thing whipping around. It is quite insane, actually. There you go. Enjoy that view. This old Casablanca can really fly. As old as me. Anyway, you can see it going. Now I'm going to adjust the variable speed a little bit down. There we go. Slow down. If you don't use the wall control, which I usually use, I'll adjust the variable speed to about this speed. Because I want to run it on full high. It's bad for the flywheel, especially with those bent blades. And you can see it running nicely on a little bit of reduction in speed there. Let's reduce it a little bit more. See it power down a little bit. Bearings are in relatively good shape for a K63 fan. There's that wobble again on lower speed. Over a little more. Go down just a little bit. That's really wobbling. Let's do a quarter turn there. Cut her down quite a bit. She really wants to wobble on low. Turn it a little bit more. You can see the real slow low that it can go to. Just take it all the way below now. This is the slowest low it can do. That's actually a pretty decent low. Now I'm going to crank her all the way up to high, and then we'll do the spin down from the wall. Right over to the wall control here. There we go. And I'm going to cut her down here. One, two, three. As you can see, it's a pretty decent spin down. Too bad for the bent blades. Like I said, I'm going to fix those. One is more severely bent than the other. I put them opposite. That reduced the wobbling, is putting the bent blades opposite. Nice long spin down time. you go. Get a close up of that stencil. Nice stencil blades. And that warm, beautiful copper finish looks great with the incandescent lamp shining on it. Thank you very much for watching.